back to day 2, our maths problem of the day. Okay, welcome back to day 2, our maths problem of the day. So we've got another word problem and we're going to try and use a diagram or a picture to help us solve the problem. I'm going to read the problem to you. The houses on planet Zob are 3 metres apart. Each house is 10 metres wide. How long is a row of 5 houses on Zob? Okay, let's think about what do we already know and then what do we need to find out. So we do know that all the houses on Zob are 3 metres apart. We also know that each house is built 10 metres wide. And what we need to find out is how long is a row of 5 of these houses. So we know we don't need to draw any more than 5 houses. So let's start with that. Let's draw 5 little, I'm just going to do squares to represent my houses. Here we go. Now, there we've got our 5 houses. And I'm going to put a number inside these houses. So see if you can guess what that number would be. What number am I going to put inside the houses? Each house. I'm going to put 10 inside because each house is 10 metres wide. Okay, so I'm going to put 10 inside of each of these little houses. Okay, we've got our 5 houses and we know that each house is 10 metres wide. Let's go back to some of our other information in our word problem. So the houses on planet Zob are 3 metres apart. So I've left this little gap here because in between each house there's 3 metres. Well, that's quite nice, they're not right next to their neighbours. Okay. How long is a row of 5 houses on Zob? So now we've got a really simple picture, but it can help us answer this question. So we could do 10 times 5 because we know that we've got 5 houses and they're 10 metres wide. So we can do 10 times 5, which is, we know is 50. And then we could do 3 times 4. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 3 times 4, which is 12. Okay, so we've worked out in total all the metres in between the houses and also all that width of the houses added together. We haven't quite finished though because we've now got to add these 2 together because remember it asked us how long is the whole row of 5 houses. So this is the whole row. And we've got to tell them how long is that. So we've got to add together 50 and 12, which is 62. And let's not forget our units of measure because we're dealing with meters here. So we've got to do 62. You could just put an M or you can write